Hey, what's up? This is Khalil Sediqi here for After Effects. So, in this video, you will learn how to create sky with the stars, with moon and earth in 3D animation. So, let's start. Create a new composition and right here, stars, and change the composition size into HD. Select from here and change the duration into 10 seconds. Start from 0 to 10 seconds. Go to 3D render, change to classic 3D, click OK. Fit your composition and change the quality into full quality. So guys, let's create from stars. Right click, create a new solid right here. Stars. There. Write the stars and make comp size. No matter which color you want to select, click OK. And go to Windows, select Effects and make Reset. Right here, Fractal Noise. Double click. Here you can see the fractals. Change to small pieces like this. Go to Scale, change to small pieces. So guys, press F4 on keyboard, change to Add. And press S for a scale. Change the scale size, press F4, turn on 3D switch, and make Alt Control. Need more pieces like this. Select the stars, press Ctrl D, duplicate once again, and make little bit far. And control the pieces for this one. Select, press F4, change to add, and control the pieces. Okay guys, and now right click, create again new solid. Right here, lights, and right here fractal noise, double click. So control the contrast brightness like this, and change this one to subscale, and change this one to soft linear, and change this one to soft clamp. Looks like galaxy's smoke. And change the color by going to effects and presets right here, HUE, double click and turn on the colorize. Change the color like this, and control again, make little bit darker like this. So guys, move the lights behind the stars and close, and select again the stars, control again, and control the scales, and select another stars, control again, and control the scales. Okay guys, create a new camera, change the camera to 20mm lens, click OK. And now you can control the stars like this. Here you can see. Select behind the stars and make duplicate and move backwards more, and change the size bigger, and take a look again. So guys, and now time to create the moon. Double click, go to desktop, select moon texture, and drop here. Press S, scale down the moon texture size, select, press F4 and press S for the scale. Right here, CC sphere. Double click this effect, apply here and change the radius size like this. And now go to light. You can change the moon color shade to some light. Click OK and control by going to shades. Control from here the ambient and control the diffuse. Make a little bit darker. Make darker. Control the specular. Control the roughness. And control the metallic. So I don't need reflection. Control again from the ambient. Click again. Make darker again. Control the diffuse. And specular. Control the roughness. So guys, there is the moon is created. And now time to animate. Go to rotation, stopwatch rotation Y going to 10 seconds. I need little bit rotate, not too much. So select the moon, turn on the 3D and move here. And now time to import the earth map and drop here. Double click CC sphere. And now you can apply the atmosphere color that is blue. Okay, go to shading and control the ambient. Okay guys, you can animate the earth too by going to rotation, apply, and change a little bit the earth too. And now select the earth, turn on the 3D and move here. So guys, select the stars, move it up. And now let's animate. Select the earth, make 4 and select the moon, move here. Select the earth. So let's animate the camera. First, the camera focus must be on the earth, like this. Play. Here's. Little bit move again the earth. Select the earth. Move. And now select the camera. Press P. Sorry, expand the all settings. Stopwatch all of them. Go to in 3 seconds and select, move slowly, take a look, move slowly, and in 1 second, fast move, focus on the moon. So, and now slowly zoom out and zoom out. Select both keyframes, play now. Here you can see. You can animate the background too. Close the layers, select the lights and stopwatch, evolution. Go to second 10. Slowly you can animate the backgrounds too. Let's see which colors looks better for the sky. Not bad. Okay guys, select this stars, press S, change the scale, select for this one, change the scales. And now turn on the motion blur for all of them. Press S to play or render the project.